Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce client engagement costs with SurveyMonkey detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account. Navigate to the Create Survey button on the dashboard. Choose a survey template that suits your needs. If you prefer, start from scratch by selecting Create Blank Survey. Add a title to your survey that reflects your objectives. In the Survey Builder, start adding questions related to client engagement. Utilize various question types like multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended responses. Focus on keeping questions concise and clear to enhance response rates. Incorporate logic jumps to personalize the survey experience. Preview your survey to ensure it flows properly and makes sense. Test the survey by sending it to a few colleagues or friends. Review their feedback and make necessary adjustments to improve clarity and engagement. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab. Choose your preferred distribution method, such as email, social media, or website links. Segment your audience if needed to target specific client groups. Utilize the email collector to manage responses directly from your client base. Set a deadline for responses to create a sense of urgency. Monitor response rates and adjust your outreach strategies if needed. Once the response period ends, analyze the survey data. Use SurveyMonkey's analytics tools to identify trends and insights. Download reports and charts to illustrate your findings effectively. Implement the insights gained from the survey to enhance client engagement strategies. Regularly repeat this process to stay updated on client preferences and satisfaction levels. By using SurveyMonkey strategically, you can significantly reduce engagement costs while improving client relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.